Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your face looks dull, tired, or older than it should? You might think it's bad genetics, but the truth is, your daily habits are slowly destroying your skin without you even realizing it. The good news? Most of these mistakes are incredibly easy to fix. Let's go through the 7 habits that are killing your face glow, starting with one that almost everyone ignores. Habit number 1, sleeping late. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. When you stay up until 2 or 3 a.m. every night, your body produces more stress hormones and less growth hormone. That means slower skin repair, darker under-eye circles, more breakouts, and a tired-looking face. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and try to sleep before midnight whenever possible. Habit number 2, touching your face. Constantly, most people touch their face dozens of times every hour without even noticing. Your hands carry oil, dirt, and bacteria from your phone, keyboard, and everything else you touch. Every time you rub your face, you're increasing the chances of clogged pores, acne, and skin irritation. Keep your hands away from your face unless you're washing or applying skincare. It's one of the easiest habits to break. Habit number 3, not drinking enough water. No, drinking water won't magically give you perfect skin, but dehydration can make your face look dry, tired, and less healthy. Water helps your body function properly, including your skin. A simple goal is around 2 to 3 liters a day, depending on your activity level and climate. If your lips are always dry and your skin feels tight, you probably need more water. Habit number 4, skipping sunscreen. This is probably the biggest mistake on this list. The sun's UV rays damage your skin every single day, even when it's cloudy, even when you're driving. Over time, UV exposure causes wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and premature aging. Wear a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning. It's one of the best anti-aging habits you can build. Habit number 5, eating too much sugar. Your diet shows up on your face. Eating too much sugar can trigger a process called glycation. This damages collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. The result? Dull skin, fine lines, and more breakouts. You don't have to quit sugar completely. Just reduce processed sweets and replace them with fruits, protein, and whole foods more often. Habit number 6, mouth breathing. If you constantly breathe through your mouth instead of your nose, it can dry out your mouth and even affect facial muscles over time. It also often leads to poor quality sleep, which directly impacts how fresh your face looks the next day. Whenever possible, breathe through your nose during the day. If you snore heavily or always wake up with a dry mouth, it may be worth talking to a healthcare professional. Habit number 7, overusing face products. More products don't always mean better skin. Using too many cleansers, acids, scrubs, and serums can damage your skin barrier. When that happens, your skin becomes red, dry, sensitive, and irritated. Instead, keep your routine simple. A gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen during the day. Consistency beats complexity every single time. So if your face has lost its natural glow, don't rush to buy expensive skincare. Fix these daily habits first, because healthy skin starts with healthy routines. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more men's self-improvement content, and I'll see you in the next video.